Good day folks, Sean here from Air Photography. So in this video, we're going to be doing a video quality comparison of the GoPro Hero 13 Black against the Apple iPhone 16 Pro Max. Now, before you go crazy, down in the comments, I do realize that these are completely different cameras for different types of scenarios. This video is more for fun, and there are some who are curious about the video quality between the two cameras, as well as stabilization. And we're also going to be taking a look at the macro capabilities of each camera. This year with the Hero 13 Black, we got a new macro lens mod. And of course, iPhones have had macro capability for a few generations now. So we're going to be taking a look at that as well and comparing the differences. So with all that said, let's just jump right in and take a look. In this first shot here, I'm using the main camera on the iPhone 16 Pro Max, and I've set the field of view on the GoPro to linear to try and match the distortion. Of course, the GoPro is still going to have a much wider field of view, so we'll just let this play through and you can check out the differences. Now for this next shot, again, we're just taking a quick walk. And this time I set the field of view on the iPhone 16 Pro Max to the widest field of view possible. And I've set the GoPro to a wide field of view. Now for this next shot, we're going to test stabilization capabilities. We're going to enable the action mode on the iPhone 16 Pro Max. And of course, we're going to be using hypersmooth stabilization on the GoPro. And we're just going to go for a little bit of a jog here, and we'll see which one looks more stable. So this year with the Hero 13 Black, we got a new macro lens mod. This allows us to get nice and close and get some interesting shots. Now with the macro lens mod for the GoPro Hero 13 Black, we are limited to about 4 inches. We can't really get any closer to that without losing focus. Whereas with an iPhone, you can get much closer and much more detail. And it is really interesting that GoPro released this macro lens. It's a great way to get some nice close-up shots and allows you to get a little bit creative with some of your framing. So let's just go ahead and we'll take a look at some more examples here. Now we're just going to do one last video comparison. Again, I'm using the main camera on the iPhone 16 Pro Max, and we've got the GoPro Hero 13 Black set to wide, and we're just going to take some footage here. So yeah, folks, just a quick comparison, video quality comparison of the iPhone 16 Pro Max against the GoPro Hero 13 Black. Again, this video was just for fun, just for those who are curious about the video quality and stabilization differences between the two cameras. Go easy down in the comments. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you in the next one.